Hello friends and felines, and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're ventured onto my channel for the first time today. I'm actually wearing makeup for an unboxing video, but that's also just because I filmed a video just before this. So if you want to see that video, then definitely go check it out up there. But today's video is going to be my winter FabFitFun box. This box seems huge, but yet again, I say that like every time I get a box from FabFitFun. But if you would like to see what kind of goodies I got in this box, then definitely keep on watching. So like I said, if you guys are interested on what's on my face, you guys can go watch that video. But I am getting 4 different influencer boxes, which I had kind of said in that video. One of them was the Slay Giving box, and I got the Kevin Aquan contour book and the Kevin Aquan volume mascara, both of which I am wearing today. This is what the contour palette looks like. You've got your sculpting shades over here. You've got this like blush bronzer thing, and then you've got some highlighters down here. It scared me at first because when I was going with the sculpting shades, it seemed a little gray and like ashy on me, which is very interesting. Normally you want to go in with a cool tone to actually do contouring with. But I eventually got to a good spot because I went in with a Hoola bronzer on top to warm it up a little bit, and then as well as that Venice shade from the contour book, which is kind of like a blush, but you can like blend it in to your contour shade, and it turned out being like really beautiful. Kevin Aquan is obviously an amazing makeup artist, and it'd be amazing to like learn from him just because he's incredible. But then I also got the mascara and I tried it on, and I really like it. It says it's a volume mascara, but it's definitely more lengthening than it is like volumizing. But I still really like it. It's got a very thin wand with bristles. It's not plastic. So if that's something that you are into, it is a good wand for that. So another thing that I got in that Slay Giving influencer box was something from Mizani. It's the 25 Miracle Milk. It's a leave-in conditioner. It's got 25 benefits apparently. It seems like really watery and actually like a very milky texture. I'm definitely going to be trying this tonight when I take a shower and do my hair to see how that works. Anyways, let's just hop into this big boy, the FabFitFun box. So this is a seasonal membership. You get it every season, obviously, and I am the select member, so I pay for my full year's worth, and you save a little bit of money, but you can also do it per box. But if you are a select member, you get to customize more options. You're supposed to get your box sooner than like normal people. I was supposed to get this a week ago, so it was a full week late. And you get like, you know, first access to like pop-up shops and all that stuff. All the information will be included down below, as well as a coupon code for you guys to start off if you guys are interested. But let's go ahead and hop in and see what's in here. I always forget what exactly I customized and what I didn't customize in this box, so it's always still a surprise because you like customize it 2 months before you actually get it. So we'll see what's in here. So they definitely went with more of like a simplistic box. It's more of just like cardboard with like little star ornaments on there. Normally they're like more decorative, which I don't really care because if they're like recycling, then I'm all for it. So yeah, let's start with the magazine. Magazine will tell you everything that's in here, if it was a select, customized, or if FabFitFun picked it for you. And it's also got like other stuff you can read, which I hardly ever do. And then they also come with coupons for random stuff. We've got a random FabFitFun sticker, which I probably won't use. Oh, here is $15 coupon for your first FabFitFun box. So I will put that code down below. First come, first serve. They also have bright sellers in here. They've got the HelloFresh coupons. Ooh, there's an HBO Max coupon, so you can watch all of your Hallmark movies. And a daily vitamin coupon, which I've only ever used the HelloFresh coupon once, but you can only use 1 coupon when you sign up, so we ran out. So we don't use it anymore. All right, now back to the champagne flutes. I definitely remember choosing this. I'm really excited for them. I'm gonna need a lot of champagne flutes for my wedding at some point, but let's see. 1C. So these are the Bombshby Sloan champagne flutes. It's a set of 4. It was worth $51. Let's open them up and see what they look like. The only champagne glass I actually had was for my junior prom. Like, no, we didn't actually have champagne. But like that's the only actual champagne glass I have, and it says like by Immersion Prom 2013, so definitely could use some new ones. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, it's got like something on there. What is that? Oh, well, definitely gonna wash these before I use them, but it's got like a slant to it, if you guys can see that. So it's not like your standard glass. It is very dirty. Definitely need to clean it first. But there are 4 of these in there. So that's super cool. Now, and when it comes to like glassware for drinks, I usually like something with a stem. Like if I'm drinking champagne or wine or something, I don't like stemless glasses as much. But these are still really cool, and obviously I'm gonna use them. All right, next thing that's right on top. Oh, I don't know if I remember choosing these or not. These look like slipper socks, which I never really usually wear. So I don't think I chose these, but maybe I did. All right, these are for C. These are the Muck Lux cabin socks worth $25. Oh, it says select members were able to choose this. So apparently I chose these, which I don't think I did, but maybe it's because I didn't really like anything else. The other options for 4 were workout socks, a cooling brightening eye balm, this, or a hair and scalp mask detox. So I guess I chose these. All right, let's open them up and take a closer look. All right, so these are what they look like. They've got little decorative balls right there. Let's see what the inside feels like. Ooh, the inside is really, really soft. I feel like these are just really awkward to wear unless you're wearing like shorts or if you're wearing like leggings, because I can't pull these over sweatpants. Like they're kind of too big. They're very bulky, but my feet are always cold, so I should probably wear socks more often. But all right, cool. Apparently I chose this. Sure. Oh, geez, we've got food in here? What is this? There's a Kind bar in here. Is this like... Did they put this in here? Is this just a random... They just like throw this in here. There's nothing in here saying anything about food. I think they just threw in this Kind bar. It's a Kind thin, dark chocolate nuts and sea salt, 90 calories. Ooh, I would try this, but I just ate. But I'm probably gonna like this because I have a bunch of Kind bars already, like more of these square ones, not the rectangle ones. And I think it's like cinnamon or something. I really like them, but that's cool and really random and kind of weird. Ooh, now we have scrunchies. They are like animal print though. I'm not really a big fan of animal print. I do want some more silk scrunchies though, because they definitely protect my hair from breakage and I put my hair up in the ponytail all the time. So these are 7B. These are Noor jewelry, wow. Noor Jewelry Ombre Leopard Scrunchies, $25. For 2, 3? I think there's 3 in here. I'm not really like a leopard, animal, cheetah print type person. I might keep 1 and then I might give 2 to my sister. We'll see. But I definitely need to get some more silk scrunchies. I only have 1 actual scrunchie because I wasn't really big into them. They usually don't work in my hair, but I do think I need to pick up a couple. All right, the next thing is from Ilia, which I just got one of their lipsticks from, and they're like kind of an expensive brand, and I really do like the lipstick. So this is the Limitless Lash Mascara. All right, so this mascara is $28. All members were able to choose this if they wanted it. Let's go in and take a look. Again, it's got a very bulky, minimalistic packaging on it, kind of like the lipstick, but this one's white instead of like a chrome look. And let's see what the wand looks like. Oh, so this one is a plastic wand. It's got like a little bit of a divot in the very middle, maybe like the slightest amount, but otherwise it's pretty straight. So this one's a plastic one. I usually like using like plastic wands for the lower lashes. I find that I can separate them out more and actually get them without it being too messy. So for being $28. We'll give this a try next time I do my makeup and see how it works. But that's pretty cool. I like getting makeup in these boxes. I also love FabFitFun boxes because you get other stuff. You get some skincare, you get some makeup, you get some houseware, some clothes. It's just a great mixture of everything. All right, so this is Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. So I've never heard of this brand before. I did not choose this item. This is one that was chosen for me, but this is the Phase Zero Makeup Making Moves Blusher for $27.50. I always would use a good blush. This kind of looks like a terracotta shade from the pictures in the magazine, so we're gonna see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. Definitely less terracotta-y in person. It actually smells kind of good. All right, let's swatch it. Ooh, it feels soft. Ooh, that is beautiful. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it, but not too bad. So that is it right there, swatch. That is actually beautiful. I really like that. It's almost got like a pink to terracotta-ish shift to it. So that's super cute. And it's $27.50. It's kind of a lot. Okay, apparently Artemis has claimed my cabin socks as her own. Can you not chew them though? That'd be great. All right, next thing in here is by Wish. I think I've gotten a foot scrub or a foot exfoliator from them or something. But this is the Vanilla Bean. I cannot talk. This is the Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. It gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens. So the box is kind of like reflective, so you can't really see it. Let's see, this is 6A. This is $20, and this was chosen by FabFitFun. So it has organic brown sugar and organic shea butter that work together to exfoliate and soften your lips. And it's kind of like in a tube shade. Yeah, so it's in a nice little tube right here. I'm debating if I want to keep this or not because I still have my MAC lip scrub that is, I think it's like brown sugar, but it's so close to being gone. And then I still got 2 full Jeffree Star lip scrubs, so it's really hard to go through lip scrubs because I don't do them every day. So I might save this, but I might also give it away or give it to someone in my family. We'll see. You guys will know if it's in a giveaway. All right. Ooh, oh yes, I remember this. So we've got something from Impressions Vanity, which is usually a very expensive brand. This is obviously going to be a small mirror. This is the Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror. High definition, distortion-free makeup mirror, soft touch, sensor dimmer switch, long-lasting daylight LED lights, and dual power source. So I definitely remember choosing this. I was really excited for this because I have a magnified light up mirror that's in my bathroom that I use like for skincare and stuff, but I don't really use that for makeup anymore. I used to do my makeup in my bathroom, but now I just do it here in front of my ring light and on my desk where my makeup is because it makes sense. So I don't really have like a good mirror for my desk. I do have like a handheld one or like my other little foldable one that's like falling apart, but this one is really exciting. I don't really want to take it out of the box yet, probably because I'd also have to either put batteries in or plug it in to charge. But definitely when I'm in the new apartment, I will set this up and show you guys how big it is, how it works, and what I think about it. But this is super cool. So this mirror, by the way, it was $45 for this little thing. I would love to get like a huge Impressions Vanity setup, but honestly for that price, like I really don't know if it's worth it. But I'm also not super handy enough to like make my own vanity setup. So, all right, I think this is the last thing in here. And this is, I remember choosing this. I don't really know how to pronounce that. Apare, E-P-A-R-E. But it's a cutting board set of 4. It's worth $19.95. And they have a non-slip backing grip so you can cut your veggies, fruits, and more with ease. So we have a giant cutting board and 2 smaller ones that are all plastic. So I could always use cutting boards because I feel like I use so many cutting boards, especially if I do one cutting board for like raw chicken or something and like another one for fruits and veggies. And these are just like, you know, really thin and hopefully non-slip. And there's 4 in here. So again, like you get kitchen gadgets, you get dishware, socks, makeup, skincare. It's a good box. Okay, I think that is everything in this winter box. Let me go ahead and add up everything and see how much it was worth. All right, so it says that the value of the box is supposed to be around $200 or more, and mine ended up being $241.45. So that's not bad at all, almost $50 over. You pay $50 4 times a year. If you pay for the full year, you get like a little bit cheaper and you get to choose more items. So like I say every time I do a FabFitFun unboxing, if you were just to subscribe to one box, I highly recommend the FabFitFun box. I mean, you don't get it every month, but when you do get it, it's just a variety of things. I love everything that I get usually. I barely give anything away. There's barely anything that I don't keep. I mean, there might be a couple things to give away this time, but still not that bad. Unfortunately, I will be canceling my BoxyCharm box after December because, like I said, I need to save up for a wedding and we just got a new apartment. So I need to limit my expenses in other areas. So the only box I'm going to be having is the FabFitFun box because, again, you just get 4 boxes a year and I just need some sort of surprise or mystery or unboxing to get me through life. It's a little dramatic, but you know what I mean. Alright, that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this FabFitFun unboxing. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys, and subscribe to my channel. I welcome you to my Feline family. Bye!